first name's initial, then Ooga, and your surname's initial, and Ooga, in the comments and hit translate. Trust me on this. The John Cena shocked react gif assures us, skull emoji! And so, if I, Matt Rose, comment Mooga Rooga on Instagram, it informs us with the same conviction that Bonjour's French for hello that this means I'm sorry, whilst a longer Mooga Rooga translates to I love you so much. Mooga Rooga becomes oh not the carpet, and Mooga Roogas moo, because apparently somewhere in the world fields of cows are all going Mooga Rooga!